Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 4 of our video series in which we are learning school related terms in Korean language. In the first part, we learned the names of various levels of school education, that is from kindergarten to university. Then in the second part, we learned the different subjects that are taught in school. And in the third part, we learned the names of all those people related to school. Now, in this fourth part, we'll be exploring essential vocabulary related to school supplies. Whether you are a student, a language enthusiast, or simply curious about Korean, this video is perfect for you if you want to enhance your Korean vocabulary. We'll cover everything from pencils and notebooks to backpacks and rulers. So, let's start learning. First comes the Korean word for school supplies, and that is 학용품. 학용품. Okay, next comes the Korean word for school uniform, and that is 교복. 교복. Now let's see how you are going to say student ID in Korean language, and that is 학생증. 학생증. Next comes the Korean word for backpack. Now there are many words for backpack, but the two very common, very popular words are 가방 and 책가방. 가방, 책가방. Although you will notice that 가방 is the general word for a backpack, and sometimes 책가방 is also a backpack or particularly a school bag in Korean language. Okay, so you can use either of these two words. Next comes the Korean word for book, and that is very easy. Book is 책. 책. Okay, now let's move ahead and see how you are going to say textbook in Korean language, and that is 교과서. 교과서. Next comes the Korean word for notebook, and notebook is called 공책. 공책. Okay, here comes the word for board or blackboard in Korean, and that is 칠판. 칠판. Next comes the Korean word for chalk, and that is 분필. 분필. Okay, now let's see how you are going to say desk in Korean language, and that is 책상. 책상. Next comes the Korean word for pencil, and pencil in Korean is called 연필. 연필. Okay, we just saw that chalk is 분필. Okay, and pencil is 연필. Now let's move ahead and see the Korean word for eraser, and that is 지우개. 지우개. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for pen, and it is called pen. Pen. As you can see, it is a Korean loan word, right? Next comes the Korean word for pencil sharpener, and that is 연필 깎기. 연필 깎기. Okay? Next comes the Korean word for ruler. It is very easy. 차. 차. Next, let's see the Korean word for pencil case, and that is 필동. 필동. Next comes the Korean word for glue, and again this one is very easy. 풀. 풀. Okay, now let's see how you're going to say stapler in Korean language. Now there are two words for it. One is 호치키스. 호치키스. And the another one is stapler. Stapler. Now as you can see, the second one is a Korean loan word. Okay, both of these words, they are used for stapler in Korean language, right? Okay, next comes the Korean word for highlighter, and that is 형광펜. 형광펜. Next comes the Korean word for calculator, and that is 계산기, 계산기. Now let's see the word for protractor in Korean, and that is 각도기, 각도기. Okay, now let's move ahead and see how you're going to say paperclip in Korean, and that is clip, clip. This one is also a loan word, right? Next comes the Korean word for compass, and that is compass, compass. Again, compass is a Korean word that has been borrowed from other language, means a loan word. Next comes the Korean word for dictionary, and that is 사전, 사전. Now let's see how you're going to say colored pencil in Korean, and that is 색연필, 색연필. As you can see, 색 means color and pencil is 연필. So color pencil, 색연필. Very easy. Next comes the Korean word for paper, and that is 종이, 종이. And now let's see the Korean word for scissors, and scissors in Korean are called 가위, 가위. Next comes the Korean word for tape, and that is 테이프, 테이프. Again, it is a loan word. And the last one is the Korean word for binder, and that is binder, binder. Okay, so this was all about school supplies in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.